Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Visoud wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. A device designed to take your video streaming experience to the next level. This is a two-pack kit that promises a long-range wireless connection of up to 328 feet or 100 meters. Making it a potential game-changer for home theaters, office setups, classrooms, or even on-the-go presentations. At the heart of this device is dual-band 2.4G and 5G wireless technology. What this means is that the system can deliver a more stable and stronger signal, with better penetration through walls and less interference from other wireless devices. Whether you're streaming a 4K movie from your PC or mirroring your smartphone display to a TV, the dual-band support ensures smooth and uninterrupted transmission. This wireless HDMI extender offers two modes for display. You can either mirror your existing screen or extend your workspace across multiple displays. This flexibility is particularly useful for multitasking during work presentations, design sessions, or simply for enjoying your media on a larger screen without the clutter of cables. Even though it supports 4K video decoding, the output on your display is at 1080p at 60 Hz. This ensures full HD visuals with smooth frame rates and vibrant colors, which is ideal for watching movies, giving presentations, or even playing games on a larger monitor. Mobile devices do need HDMI output support to use this device, so that's something to check before purchasing. The design of the Visoud wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver emphasizes portability. The compact units are easy to carry, making them perfect for business trips, client meetings, or creative work where you need to display content on different screens without being tethered to cables. Setup is plug and play, requiring no complicated configuration, which makes it accessible for users who aren't particularly tech-savvy. The kit includes everything you need to start streaming immediately, and with its lightweight design, you can easily integrate it into any setup, whether at home, in the office, or in a classroom. Overall, the Visoud wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver is built for convenience, flexibility, and reliability. It addresses the common frustration of cable management while providing a solid solution for high-definition wireless video and audio transmission over a long distance. If you're looking for a wireless solution to mirror or extend your display across rooms or even venues, this could be the device to consider. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product evaluations.